guys, we're on the streets of London. The keys to Challenge Stradale, Team UK. We're here having fun. Let's jump in and take it for a spin. All right, this is a tight fit, but race harness, clip in. Oh yeah, Ferrari, love it. Feels like a race car, proper race mode. Then we press the race button, of course. Race lights up, and there we go. First expressions. We got a maximum speed limit of 20 miles per hour here in London City. But the sound of this thing is... My God, I just love the Challenge Stradale. It is the most raw car that you can buy in Ferrari terms. They only made 1,280 of this model compared to the Ferrari F40 where they made 1,315. Which one is rarer? You guys can answer that. Okay, this is what I love about the Stradale. Quiet, busy main strip, whatever. Go like that, then just go up in. Oh God, the sound, it is crazy. Well, anyway, what I love about this Stradale is it's the stripped out version. Factory stripe, factory roll hoop. It's got everything that you want. It's the rarest spec, best spec Stradale out there. Okay, this is Rosso Scuderia. But it doesn't stop there. We've got Rosso calipers, and on the interior we have dark blue interior, leather everywhere, which is in dark blue with red stitching. Very cool. Race harnesses, factory original, and the factory original roll hoop, which is pretty cool. That's also a very rare spec. And the fire extinguisher down there. That makes it even more unique. But guys, on the streets of London, this thing is wicked. Everybody is loving it. Everybody's spotting it out there. It just looks phenomenal to drive this thing out here. It's loud, it's raw, it's obnoxious, it's crazy. It's a Ferrari, it's a Stradale. Hopefully if we can drive it all the way up to Scotland, we're going to do that. Maybe swap between the Bentley Anage Blue Train limited edition car that we have, our Range Rover and other cars that we have over here, whilst taking this thing out for a spin. Really looking forward to it, just having so much fun here. There's so much car content to come, it's unbelievable. We've got so much to do. Driving F1 car at the Silverstone GP, to a Stradale on the streets of London, to another very special supercar, maybe some hypercars here, but you guys are going to enjoy watching. This thing is fun. We're just trying our very best to give you the content that you guys want, so you can see things like this and more on our channel.